Hey friends, if you wish to fix network error code 0x800704b3 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on the corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the DHCP service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the DHCP service. Right click on the DHCP client and then select restart. The next solution is to disable SMB1. So search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. You'll find SMB1. Expand it. Make sure that all of these four options are unchecked. They should be unchecked as it is right now, and then click on OK to save the settings. The next solution is network reset. So other websites will suggest solutions like flashing the DNS, resetting WinSock, resetting TCP/IP. I say that is not required. Network reset will do the job all in one go. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now, and finally click on yes. And the last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now, and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.